How to integrate Trivia Game plugin from LiveReacting into Ecamm. First, you access your Trivia game in the LiveReacting Studio and click on Settings. Connect your social account, scroll down a little and make a tick next to the plugin mode. Then you just copy the generated link and click Save. Now go to Ecamm, click on a Earth icon, paste the copied link in the widget, and press Add Widget Overlay. Make sure to launch your stream via Ecamm, go back to your project in the LiveReacting Studio and press Start to launch your trivia. Now go back to Ecamm again and you can see that the trivia game is successfully integrated in your stream.